This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60. Today I'm going to be making lemon garlic chicken. You start with 2 chicken breast cubes, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 6 garlic cloves minced, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of flour, a half a teaspoon of salt and pepper mixed, a third a cup of chicken broth, and 1 tablespoon of butter. You'll also need oil for cooking. So let's get started. Mix a half teaspoon each salt and pepper to your cubed chicken and let it set for 10 minutes. Put 1 teaspoon of sugar into a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Add 2 tablespoons of flour to your chicken and coat thoroughly. Okay, it's time to start cooking. Let's coat our pan with oil and heat it over medium heat. Once the oil is heated, we will add our chicken. All of the chicken pieces need to be touching the pan so it will cook evenly. We're going to cook our chicken thoroughly. This should take about 7 minutes. Make sure to turn your chicken while it's cooking. Once our chicken is thoroughly cooked, we'll remove it from the heat. In a separate pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Add 6 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of flour, 1/3 cup of chicken broth, and our lemon juice. We're going to heat this until it thickens. We will be stirring this almost non-stop. Now it's time to add our sauce to our chicken. Mix thoroughly, and then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. This smells so delicious. Look at this. I garnished my lemon garlic chicken with green onion. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.